Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a PayPal refund. First, understand there are two main types of refunds: for items not received or significantly not as described, and for unauthorized transactions. For purchase protection, you generally have 180 days from the transaction date to open a dispute. If it's an unauthorized transaction, report it within 60 days of the statement date. Knowing these timeframes is crucial for a successful refund process. To begin, log into your PayPal account and head over to the Resolution Center. This is your central hub for all dispute-related activities. Once there, locate the specific transaction you want to dispute and clearly state the reason for your claim. PayPal encourages you to first try and resolve the issue directly with the seller through the messaging system provided. Often, a simple conversation can lead to a quick resolution. If direct communication with the seller doesn't resolve the issue, it's time to escalate your dispute to a formal claim. You have a window of 20 days from the date you open the dispute to do this. When escalating, make sure to provide all relevant evidence, such as photographs, detailed communication logs, or tracking numbers. PayPal will then review all the information from both you and the seller, typically reaching a decision within 10 to 14 business days. Should your claim be approved, PayPal will process the refund back to your original payment method. The timing for receiving your funds can vary. If the refund goes to your bank account, it usually takes up to 5 business days. For refunds to a credit or debit card, it might take a bit longer, potentially up to 30 days, depending on your card issuer. Always keep an eye on your PayPal account and your linked payment method for the refund to appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.